Hey everyone, welcome to another Sunday Musing. Yes, I know, I'm in my back garden again, but the last time I did it, you really seemed to like it. So I thought, hey, why not? Let's film another Sunday Musing in the backyard. Plus, we've got a wasp's nest that's being built right now on our front porch, and we haven't tackled it, so I don't really want to film on the front porch when there are wasps nearby. We are getting ready to go to the UK for Fully Charged Live. In fact, as this video is being released, I'm probably either on my way to the airport, at the airport, or on a plane to the UK. Joining me will be Kate, Walton, Elliot, and also Erin, and we're going to be at Fully Charged Live for the entire 3 days of the event. It's at Silverstone next weekend in the UK, so if you can, please do come. There are still tickets available. I'm going to be taking part in a panel on autonomous vehicles, and I am sure that I will get involved with some other stuff as well. Super excited to see all of you, and of course Robert, Johnny, and the rest of the team, because I haven't seen them for an entire year. Anyway, that's not what I want to talk to you about today. I want to ask you what your version of energy independence really means. You know, this week we had the US DOE talking about freedom molecules and freedom gas, and it got me thinking about what freedom really means, energy freedom. And I think for a lot of people that means the ability to be able to generate your own electricity. But I want to hear what your independent view of energy independence really looks like. Is it that your country generates its own power and doesn't have to rely on other countries to generate power? Is it that you get your electricity from a renewable electricity provider and you don't have to use electricity that was created using fossil fuels? Does it mean having solar panels on the roof of your home? Or maybe if you've got a stream running through your garden, some kind of hydroelectric system, even on a small scale? Or does it mean having a battery backup system and being completely off the grid? No mains electricity, no mains water, no mains sewerage. What does it mean for you when we talk about energy independence? Now, here at the new house, we're up kind of a small mountain in Oregon. We have water from a well, which is super deep underground. We have a septic system, so we're off the main sewerage system, and we do get mains electricity from the local electricity grid. However, we purchase 100% renewable electricity, and I know someone's going to say in the comments section that's not possible. Basically, we commit to paying our local energy provider for an equivalent amount of renewable energy generated that is exactly the same as the energy we consume. So that's what we're doing right now, but eventually we want to put solar panels on the house. And while the back here is nice and shady, the front of the house has really good sunlight exposure, and so we're probably going to put solar panels on the front roof and should be able to get a decent number of solar panels, but that's probably going to be next year or the year after. How do you tackle energy independence though? Oh, I should also note that for us, energy independence also means not using fossil fuels for transportation. So having charging stations that we can use to charge our electric cars up with that renewable electricity. But I want to know what yours is. You know, do you have a battery backup system? Are you completely off-grid? Do you want to be completely off-grid? Are you somebody who is, you know, very, very prepared for any eventuality, and true energy independence for you means being able to live an entire week without any mains electricity? Or does it mean being able to get your kids through the next blackout or brownout? Leave your comments and the thoughts below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I can't speak today. I'm sorry. I'm tired. It's been a long week, and I will be back probably next week. I'll probably do a Sunday Musing. We've got some videos that we're working on. We've been so busy preparing for the trip we haven't been able to edit them all, but hopefully I'll be doing some editing on the plane and a little bit of sleeping, and then I will see you in Silverstone next week for Fully Charged Live. Until then, I hope you enjoy the rest of your day and the rest of your weekend. Keep evolving.